Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point stomach 36. Stomach 36 is 3 soon below the kneecap, 1 finger breadth from the anterior crest of the tibia in the muscle tibialis anterior. So the way you find this point is you run your finger up the outside of the shin bone until you find a curve, and that's the crest. And so you'll go straight up the shin bone, and then when your finger stops, it's going to be just outside, not on the bone, but in a fleshy area. Now, a soon is 1 thumb's width, and an easy way to help to measure the 3 soon is 4 finger widths. So you lay your pointer finger over the kneecap, and your pinky finger will lay down at stomach 36. I instruct my patients in clinic to apply the earth element acupressure stick throughout the day to activate this point and initiate the healing potential of stomach 36. This is arguably one of the most important acupressure points for boosting chi and benefiting the stomach and spleen. The attributes of stomach 36 are endless, but I detail them on my acupressure directions page on the stomach 36 link. Details on using this point are located at Ageless Herbs on the acupressure directions page, and it will include different ailments and point combinations and all the diseases that this point will treat. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.